Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel. And in this video, we'll talk about Injective, or Injective Protocol, or INJ, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Was requested quite a bit, and personally, I think the last time I covered this was when it was around $8. And then what we said is that, well, all right, it looks bullish, and if it breaks above 8.2, it's probably going to rally all the way up to $9. So since then, it has rallied a lot, all right? I think there's multiple reasons for this, all right? To start off with that, so we'll start off with a little bit of fundamental context or a fundamental background, and then we'll talk about the technicals, because I think in the end you're more interested in the technicals, but the fundamentals are important. Like, you need to know about them. So I think fundamentally, first of all, the first thing I have to say about Injective is that it is an amazing project, all right? They have a lot of money, great investments, and it's a great protocol, all right? I'm not sure what the total value locked is right now on Injective. We could take a look at it. Right now, you can see the total value locked is around 20 million. That's actually, if you compare that over the last couple of months, it's not even that much. But all right, doesn't matter. Still a great product. Apart from that, it also has an amazing community that definitely buys in during these rallies. And I do think it's a bit manipulated. But some of you hate me for using that word, which I use quite often, but it's just the truth. The crypto markets are quite manipulated, and if you see a lot of volume coming from BK and from Super X, etc., there's some shady business going on. It doesn't matter though. Like I said, it's a great project, and this is a real bull run. So if we take a look at Injective right now, I wouldn't say that there's anything bearish about it. Yesterday, it was in a tight little range between 11.5 and 12.5 yesterday, broke out above 12.5, which is a big psychological resistance level, so that's bullish. Now it's struggling a little bit between 13.5, which is or at 13.5, which is the lower bound of this huge resistance level between 15.5 and 13.5. So the big question is can it actually continue up to that resistance level around $15, which is a major resistance level. It's a psychological level. You have the 2.618 fib there of this move down. So that's relevant. So that's, in general, that is my price target. So then the big question remains, can it get up there? And for that, we'll take a look at some other numbers. So first of all, the open interest for Injective over the last week has been good, all right? But it hasn't been that great. Like, over the last 2 weeks, it has been amazing. And over the last 24 hours, it has practically fallen flat. So Injective right now does not have that much momentum. So I would say it's possible that it rallies up to $15, but then in the next 2 days, it would need to get some sort of a bullish breakout. It seems above 13.7. Like, that's the local top right here. So if it's able to break above 13.7, then yes, $15 and 15.5 is coming, at which I do expect resistance. And it could be a lot of resistance, all right? It could even be the end of this rally, to be honest. Or I'm repeating that a lot right now, but it's just such a strong resistance level that could be the end of the rally. So yes, Injective, at this moment, it looks most likely that Injective will continue going up. There's no bearish indication. Sure, the open interest has stopped growing, which might be a little bit of bearish confirmation, but it's not enough, all right? Even right now, if Injective drops back down towards 12.5, as long as it holds that level as support, which I do expect, it is still bullish. All right, and it's still expected that it will rally up higher. Now, problems may arise if Injective, if Bitcoin, for example, starts dropping and Injective drops down below 12.5. That's a bit of a problem, because that's a major bearish breakout, and then we could see some more bearish momentum from Injective all the way down to 10.5 and $10, which is really true. So that's a possibility. I want to warn you of that, but I'm not trying to say that. My prediction is that it will hold that level and will continue rallying up higher. All right. So if this happens, I was wrong, but I do want you to know about it. All right, because I want you to know the risks of Injective right now. So that's my full analysis. All right, hopefully it was valuable to you. Apart from this, I also have my own premium trading group in which I just share my own trades and analysis. And you also gain access to an amazing community full of traders and my trading guide. So if you want to make a profit It's profitable, I promise. While also becoming a better trader, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.